Shakil, this piece is lot of grass, and yesterday lot of rain. These pitches, so you see the ball always not hard. This is the soil. Soil is very loose, and the rain is very big. But I talking to you, but toss batting second is a very good. But batting first is a crucial moment. So far, you think you see a lot of grass and bowling in swing and out swing, and the bouncer no bouncer available, not bouncer available for this pitches. It is the difficult sense. Most of all, toss is most important reason. You think I think the pieces is very good. So far, lot of hail, uh, not equal. So you see the toss, win the toss, and chose to feel fast.